Hello dear students and welcome to our geography class. Today we will look at different countries of the world, name the nationalities that live in these countries and the languages they speak. Are you ready? Let's start! The first continent we will study today is Europe. The adjective that we use to describe a person or a thing from Europe is European. In Europe there are 51 countries, but today we will look at only 7 of them. The first country on our list is the United Kingdom, which includes England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The capital of the United Kingdom is London. Sometimes the country is also called Britain, so people who live in the United Kingdom are British. The official language of this country is English. However, depending on the region, people also speak Irish, Welsh, Scots, and other languages. Our next destination is Italy, with Rome as its capital. The adjective is Italian, so people born in Italy are Italians. And there is only one official language, Italian. Spain, just like Italy, is located in the south of Europe. The capital of Spain is Madrid. The people from Spain are Spanish, who speak the Spanish language. The next European country is France, with its capital in Paris. People who live in France are French, and the language has the same name. The French speak French. Germany is a country located in Central Europe. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The people are called German, and they speak the German language, which is the only official language in this country. Let's quickly go through the last European countries for today, Poland and Norway. The capital of Poland is Warsaw. The people are Polish, and the language is Polish too. Norway is a Nordic country. The capital of Norway is Oslo. The people are Norwegians. In Norway there are 2 official languages, Norwegian and Sami. Russia is not actually in Europe. It is a transcontinental country, which means it is located in Europe and Asia at the same time. Russia is the biggest country in the world. The people from Russia are called Russians, and the official language is Russian. Easy! Let's look at the next continent, Africa. The adjective for things or people from this continent is African. South Africa is our first destination here. It has 3 capital cities: Executive Pretoria, Judicial Bloemfontein, and Legislative Cape Town. It has many ethnic groups, but in general, people who live there are called South Africans. They speak 11 official languages, one of which is English. Our next African country is Morocco, with Rabat as its capital. The people of Morocco are Moroccans. There are 2 official languages in this country, Arabic and Berber. We are going further to Tunisia. The capital has a similar name, Tunis. People in Tunisia are Tunisians, and most of them speak the Arabic language. Egypt is a country of pharaohs. It is a transcontinental country. Do you remember what it means? It is simultaneously located in Asia and Africa. Its capital is Cairo. The people of Egypt are Egyptian, and the spoken language is Arabic. Now we move on to the largest continent in the world, Asia. The adjective for things and people from Asia is Asian. In Asia, there are 49 recognized countries. China is the biggest country in Asia after transcontinental Russia, and the most populous country in the world. The capital is Beijing. People from China are referred to as Chinese. The predominant language in this country is Standard Chinese. Besides, there are about 300 minority languages. Crazy! The next Asian country that we will study today is India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Indians speak 447 languages, but only 2 of them are official, Hindi and English. The next country is Japan, with its capital in Tokyo. People who live there are Japanese, and the national language is Japanese. Pakistan is the next destination of our trip. Islamabad is the capital of this country. People who live there are Pakistani. In Pakistan, there are two official languages, English and Urdu. The last Asian country for today is Thailand. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. People who live there are Thai or Siamese. The official language is Thai, but in some provinces people speak some other languages such as Isan or Paktai. Let's move on to the next continent, or better say continents, North America and South America. For these continents, we can use the adjectives North American and South American respectively. The largest country on these continents is Canada. Its capital is Ottawa. The official languages in this country are two, English and French, and the people who live there are Canadians. Our next destination is the United States of America, also known as the USA, the United States, or just America. The capital is the city of Washington, D.C. Don't confuse it with the state of Washington. The adjective for a person coming from this country is American, and obviously the official language is English. Mexico is a country located in the south of North America. Its capital is situated in Mexico City. People who live in this country are Mexicans. There are many languages spoken in this country, but Spanish is most popular. Brazil is the largest country in South America. Its official language is Portuguese, which is a bit different from Portuguese in Portugal. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia, and the people are Brazilian. Very easy to remember. Last but not least is Australia. This country is a continent. People who live there are called Australians or also Aussie, which is more informal. The capital is Canberra, and the national language of Australia is English. New Zealand is an island country situated close to Australia. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. It has several official languages: English, Maori, and even the sign language, the language of the deaf community, was recognized as official. People who live there are called New Zealanders or Kiwi, which is informal. Okay, students, our class is over for today. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to study all the countries. If your country was not in this video, please leave a comment below indicating your country, nationality, and language. It will help other students learn more useful words. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye!